Good morning, everyone. In today's session, I am going to explain how to change interest manually. First, we will see changing interest manually in a generated bill of a single member. For this, we will go to quick menu, go to flat shop details. If you want to change interest manually, first we'll go to this bill. Here you can see the interest is 186 rupees. If you want to change this amount or make this interest zero, now I'm going to edit this form and trying to change this interest. This will not change. For changing the interest manually, you have to go to parameter. In parameter, you have to make sure for changing the interest manually, you have to tick on this option, allow manual interest calculation. Only after that, interest will change manually. Now save the form. And you have to make sure if you have already opened this bill, you have to close it and again open it to change the interest. Now double click on the bill, edit the form. Now change the interest accordingly. If you want to change to zero, change it. Now click on save. Then this will ask, do you want, you are doing manual calculation of interest where its detail are shown in interest detail. Do you want to remove it? Click on yes. In this way, you can change the interest manually. Once you have changed interest, you have, if you don't, you want to generate the interest from system, then you have to untick this option. In this way, you can change interest manually of a particular bill. Now let's see how to change interest manually by in a bulk way. For this, we will go to utility, go to database utility, then go to update regular bill interest amount. First, we will see changing the particular member interest of a particular month. Here you can see this is the filter. Here you can see, you can select the particular member or particular month. First, we'll select the particular member. If you want to change the interest of a particular member of a particular month, then select this filter. Then select the month. If you want to change the interest of a June month, select the month, select that particular member. Now click on show. Here you can see the interest apply for this member is 53 rupees. If you want to make this interest zero, or if you want to change the interest manually, you can tick on this allow manual interest, tick on this option. Now click on process. After that, here you can see that this save button get enabled. So first change the interest accordingly. You want to increase the interest or reduce it, or if you want to make it zero, you can do accordingly. Now click on save. In this way, you can change interest of a particular member of a particular month. Here you can see that unit number A101 of June month, I changed the interest to 100. So those changes get reflected in a bill. Now we'll see the next scenario. Again, go to update regular bill interest amount. In second scenario, we will see changing the particular member's interest of all the month. If there is one particular member, unit number like A101 or A102, for that particular member, you want to change the interest of all the months, not a particular month. Then in this scenario, select the filter, building wing unit number. And here bill for, you don't have to select anything. Now click on show. Now here you can see The number of bills generated for that particular member are showing here. April, May, June, and July month bills are generated. So if you want to make the changes in all the bills of that particular member, so in this way you can select this filter. Now here you can see the interest amount is 26,1844 rupees. If you want to make all the interest amount to zero, in this case you can click on make zero interest amount. Click on this option and click on process. Now here you can see the interest amount became zero. So you don't need to make this interest amount zero one by one. Just by ticking on this option make zero interest amount and process, all the interest became zero of all the bills of a particular member. Now click on save. Now click on save. In this way you can change particular member interest of all the members to zero by clicking on this make zero interest amount. Now we'll see the next scenario. Changing the particular month interest of all the members. If you want to change the interest of all member one by one, in this case, go to update regular bill interest amount. Instead of selecting this building wing unit number, you don't need to select this filter, because if you want to change the interest of all the member of a particular month, then select that particular month on which month you want to change the interest. Select that particular month. Like if you want to change the interest of July month, select that month, click on show. Here you can see all the unit are unit number. Here you can see the unit number and their interest amount. Then click on allow manual input of interest. Click on process. Now you can make changes in the interest amount. Like those who having 53 rupees interest, if you want to make it zero, then make that interest amount zero. Now click on save. Online, yes, sir. In this way, as we have seen, we see changing the particular month interest of all member. Now we will see changing the all month interest of all member. For this, we will again go to update regular bill interest amount. In this scenario, you don't need to select any filter, as you want to change the all members interest of all the bills or all the months. Directly click on show. Then if you want to make zero interest amount of all the members, then you can click on this option. Or if you want to make changes in the interest manually, click on this option, allow manual input of interest. Then click on process. You can make changes accordingly. Here you can see all the months be like here. You can see April month, May month, June and July month. All the month and all the members are showing here. You can make the changes in interest manually. Now click on save. बैकअप आपके पास ही रहता है वो सी ड्राइव डी ड्राइव जिससे आपको जहाँ रखना है। Now do repair database. मतलब आपको हाँ 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 Okay. So whatever the changes we have done in this form, those get reflected in the bill, original bill. So in this way, you can change the interest of a particular member of or all the members in a single or bulk way using this e-society software. This is all about the today's session. Thank you everyone for joining the session.